Now, let us start our BSc semester 3rd unit 2nd power series method of mathematics. It is one question: solve by power series method d square y by dx square plus y is equal to 0. So, in solution, given d square y by dx square plus 1 is plus y is equal to 0, it is considered as first equation. Now, let the solution for first equation be y is equal to, we have to consider this sigma 0 to n is equal to 0 to infinity a n x raised to the power n. It is where a0 is not equal to 0, it is considered as second equation. Now, y dash on differentiating with respect to x, we will get sigma n is equal to 1 to infinity a n x raised to the power n minus 1. It is considered as third equation. Now, y double dash is equal to sigma n is equal to 2 to infinity, here it will become n minus 1 a n x raised to the power n minus 2. This is considered as fourth equation. These solutions we have done already. So, we can say that according to our given first equation, from equation first we may write by equation 1, by using equation 1, we may write it in this manner: sigma n is equal to 2 to infinity n minus 1 into a n x raised to the power n minus 2 plus sigma n is equal to 0 to infinity a n x raised to the power n is equal to 0. Now, we may write it in the series form, that it will be 2 into 1 x 2 into 1 a2 x raised to the power 0, that is 1, plus 3 into 2 a3 x, if we write 3 then here it will be x, plus 4 into 3 a4 x raised to the power 4 minus 2 means square, plus 5 into 4 a5 x raised to the power 3, in this manner, and so on, plus here we may write a0 plus a1x plus a2x square plus a3x cube plus a4x raised to the power 4, and so on, in this manner. So, we can say, and this is equal to 0. So, what we can conclude? We can conclude that two into 1 a2 plus a0 plus 3 into 2 a3 plus a1, 3 into 2 a3 plus a1 into x plus 4 into 3 a4 plus a2 into x square plus 5 into 4 a5 plus a3 into x cube plus 6 into 5 a6 plus a4 x raised to the power 4 plus and so on in this way is equal to 0. So, on comparing coefficients of x and constant. So, first of all let us consider constant. So, 2 into 1 a2 plus a0 is equal to 0 because in RHS it is 0 only. So, 2 factorial a2 is equal to minus a0 or a2 is equal to minus a0 upon 2 factorial. Similarly, if we consider 3 into 2 means 3 factorial or you may write 3 into 2 a3 plus a1 is equal to 0 means 3 factorial a3 is equal to minus a1 or a3 is equal to minus a1 upon 3 factorial. Now, see 4 into 3 a4 plus a2 is equal to 0 means a4 is equal to minus a2 upon 4 into 3, but a2 value is what? a2 value is minus a0 upon 2 factorial. So, that 2 factorial will make it this minus and this minus will become plus. So, it will become a0 upon 4 factorial. Now, let us write it here only in this part. So, this will become 4 factorial a4 4 into 3 or you may write directly a4 is equal to minus a2 upon 4 into 3. That can be written as minus into minus, this a2 value is minus a0 upon 2 factorial. So, minus minus plus, so it will become a0 upon 4 factorial. And if we consider this part, this 5 into 4 a5 plus a3 is equal to 0 or a5 is equal to minus a3 upon minus a3 upon, see a5 is equal to minus a3 upon 5 into 4. So, a3 value we know this is minus a1 upon 3 factorial. So, minus a1, that minus will make it positive. So, a1 upon 5 factorial because 5 into 4 is already present here and 3 factorial more. So, it will become a1 upon 5 factorial. And similarly, if we proceed with this also, so it will be 6 into 5 a6 plus a4 is equal to 0, or we can say that a4 is equal to a6 is equal to minus a4 upon 6 into 5. That can be written, a4 value we know very well, it is a0 upon 4 factorial. So, it is positive. So, this will again become negative, minus a0 upon 6 factorial because 6 into 5 into 4 factorial, that will be 6 factorial. So, in this way we have to proceed and we will get the further values also. After getting all these values, we have to use first equation now and we will have to solve it further. From equation second, we may write from equation second, we may write what? Y is equal to a0 plus a1x plus a2x square plus a3x cube plus a4x raised to the power 4 plus a5x raised to the power 5 plus and so on. So, this y is written as a0 plus a1x plus value of a2 we can see minus a0 upon 2 factorial, minus a0 upon 2 factorial x square plus a3 value is minus a1 upon 3 factorial x cube, a4 value is plus a0 upon 4 factorial x raised to the power 4, a5 value it is plus a1 upon 5 factorial x raised to the power 5. This is value of a5, and further we may write value of a6 which will become negative. So, minus a0 upon 6 factorial x raised to the power 6 and plus and so on, like this we have to proceed. So, it will become what? Here it will be negative value. So, we can say y is equal to, if we take a0 common, so it will be 1 minus x square upon 2 factorial plus x raised to the power 4 upon 4 factorial and so on, plus a1 common, so it will be x minus x cube upon 3 factorial plus x raised to the power 5 upon 5 factorial and so on, negative and so on, like this. So, this is only the solution for our this question d square y by dx square plus y is equal to 0. So, it is over now, and thanks a lot for watching our channel, and please do like it, subscribe it and share it.